Welcome to another detailed module of prompt techniques. If you want to understand basics of prompting, please take a look at our video, Prompt Engineering 101 first. Today we're exploring something that will save you from yelling at your laptop. By the end of this session, you'll know the golden rule and 7 powerful frameworks. If you ever felt like AI misunderstands you, don't worry, this is basically couples therapy, but for you and your chatbot. People assume prompting is magic, like you whisper something to ChatGPT and poof, a perfect answer appears. Reality check. Without structure, prompting is like sending your friend a text that just says, and hoping they figure out the meaning of life. The truth is, most people don't fail because AI is bad. They fail because they don't know what to ask. Golden Rule and other frameworks fix this. They turn vague thoughts into predictable results. Beginners get confidence. Professionals get consistency. Everybody gets sanity. Every empire needs a foundation. Ours has 5 bricks: role, goal, context, constraints, output. Think of it like ordering food at a restaurant. Role: who's cooking? A chef, thankfully. Goal: what you want. Paneer butter masala? Not existential advice. Context: spicy or not. Allergies? Constraints? Vegetarian? 200 calories? Output format: plate, bowl, or takeaway box? Tell the AI these 5 things, and suddenly it behaves like a well-trained student rather than an overexcited puppy. Let's slow it down, teacher style, and understand the golden rule here. Role: give the AI a job. Students behave better when you tell them who they are. Goal: tell it exactly what outcome you want. Context: this is your storytelling time, feed it the background. Constraints: the boundaries. Humans hate them, AIs love them. Output format: like telling someone, use bullet points, please. I'm fragile. Use RGCCO for anything long, important, or mildly life-changing. Framework 1. RISE. Now, let's talk about other frameworks that work quite well. RISE is your workflow wizard. It's like the 4-step recipe your grandma gives you, except you can actually follow this one. Research, ideate, synthesize, execute. Honestly, if people used RISE before starting projects, the world would have fewer unfinished apps and fewer sad Trello boards. Anytime you're planning a sequence, tasks, projects, operations, RISE is your reliable GPS. Framework 2. DEEP. This one is for decision-making. DEEP stands for define, explore, evaluate, plan. The kind of thing you should have used before buying that treadmill you never used. Define the problem. Explore your options. Evaluate them without bias. Even if one option feels right. Plan the next steps like a responsible adult. Great for strategic choices, risk analysis, and pretending to be wise. Framework 3. RTF. This one is deliciously simple. Role task format. It's the espresso shot of prompting frameworks. Perfect when you're in a hurry. For example, you are a marketing expert. Write 3 captions in a numbered list. Boom! The AI delivers faster than any intern. Framework 4. TAG. TAG is for quick content. Topic, audience, goal. Think of it like packing a lunch. Topic equals what's inside. Audience equals who it's for. Goal equals whether you want them to smile or faint. Great for lists, ideas, mini drafts, and anything where you don't want philosophical discussions. Framework 5. Race. Race helps you when you're convincing people email, UX, training, reason action context example. Users are confused. Reason. Simplify navigation. Action. Data shows 76% drop-off. Context. Like Apple's design. Example. It's persuasion without manipulation. And yes, it works on colleagues too. Framework 6. Care. This one is for leadership content. Executive clarity without executive confusion. Context, audience, requirement, execution. It's how you talk when you want the room to think, wow, who trained this person? Use care for briefings, strategy docs, and anything where stakes are high and nonsense must be low. Framework 7. Crisp. Crisp is the Swiss Army knife for writing tasks. Context, role, intent, style, parameters. If you've ever looked at a blank page and felt your soul leave your body, Crisp will bring it back. Great for documentation, structured writing, user manuals, reports, and looking like you spent 3 hours on something the AI did in 3 seconds. How to choose the right prompting framework? Here's your prompt choosing cheat code. Start with RGCCO always. Then pick a framework, like choosing a tool from your mental toolbox. Need decisions? Deep. Need workflows? Rise. Need quick stuff? RTF. Need content? Tag or Crisp. Need persuasion? Race. Need leadership flair? Care. Once you master this, you'll talk to AI like a pro. Clear, confident, and without any existential confusion. Before we close, remember, frameworks don't limit creativity, they unlock it. Think of them like railings on a staircase. They don't stop you from climbing, they stop you from falling. For more storytelling like learnings, to gain clarity and AI wisdom, head to thegeniuscircuit.com. We've built this so learning AI feels less like a technical exam and more like discovering your superpowers.